Hi everybody, welcome to Toy Time Videos. We have lots of friends with us today, like Woody from Toy Story, Spider-Man, Olaf, Oscar the Grouch, all of our friends from Paw Patrol, Super Mario, there's a cute little rainbow unicorn, and I think there might be some hiding in those surprise eggs too. And we even have a fun and colorful pop-up farm animals toy. Well, I think this is going to be fun. Alright, let's play with some toys. Oh look, here's some numbers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I see a picture of a cow, a horse, a sheep, and a puppy dog. Where's the cow? Peekaboo! Where's the horse? Peekaboo horse! Where's the sheep? Peekaboo sheep! Now for the puppy dog. Peekaboo! That was fun. Let's do that again. We gotta close them up. Where's the cow? Peekaboo! Where's the horse? Peekaboo horse! Where's the sheep? Peekaboo sheep! Now for the puppy dog. There he is! I think we should look in the surprise eggs now and see what's inside them. Let's open the yellow one. Oh look, it's Big Bird hiding in there. Hi Big Bird! Okay, time to open the blue one. It's Barney the dinosaur! Time to open the red one. Oh look, it's Papa Smurf. Hi Papa Smurf. Oh look, it's Dora the Explorer. Well everybody, it's time for us to go. Thank you so much for watching Toy Time Videos. And be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you later. Bye bye.